All right, so I'm working on my boat again, and I've decided, since the thing steers mad weird, it's got no direction really, I decided I had to add a fin. So that's gonna look like that, something or other. And well, I just devised this fin out of a couple. I've been plastic welding this for the last 45 minutes, but it's just two pieces that I cut off that were the perfect shape, and I'm welding them together. So, and then I'm gonna plastic weld this right onto my boat, and it's gonna be perfect. Okay, so after a solid hour and 45 minutes of plastic welding, I'd say that that fin's pretty well on there. Other side's pretty crisp as well. I mean, shit. It's a fin. It's a little fin. It should help a little bit. Keep it go straight.